Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. I love Stitch Fix. I feel like I say that at the beginning of every single one of these unboxing videos. I did get an extra in this box too, so we'll talk about that at the end. Nipple covers. Before we get into the box, I want to read you what I left my stylist. A lot of times I just leave these notes blank and let them kind of pick out what's trendy right now and what they think I would like. But this go around I actually put a note in, so this is what I wrote. I love a cute pair of trendy yet athletic looking slides. Boyfriend jeans have been my go-to lately. I would also love to try a pair of big hoop earrings. Alright, first thing that I want to talk about though are the earrings that I'm wearing. So these came in my box. These are the brand Serefina San Francisco, and they're this beautiful like light gold color and like mint green. They're just so different and I love them. I went ahead and put them on because I want to keep them. I wouldn't have put them on if I didn't like them because, I don't know, that's weird to me to put them on. Do you try earrings on when you get them? Like whether you order them or you are in store, do you try them on or do you just buy them and put them on at home? Let me know because it may not be weird to a lot of y'all, but I feel weird about it. Okay, so these earrings are called the Serefina Raffia wrapped hoop earrings in the color mint. They are $34, which is a little bit pricey, but I do really like them. And I think I could get a lot of wear out of them. They're very lightweight, which I like they're not tugging on my ears or anything. I think these would be really cute for summertime too. Everything I've gotten lately, I keep saying, this would be really cute for summertime. But I'm ready for summertime. So there's that. First clothing item I'm going to show you are a pair of Slink boyfriend jeans. These are in a size 20. I've never kept a pair of Slink jeans because they are a little bit pricier, but these may be the first pair that I end up keeping. They're a distressed type boyfriend jean. Like how many times have y'all watched me show these and try these like kind of jeans on? I'm so into them because they're not skin tight, and I really think that looks good on my body shape, just not so tight, but a little bit fitted. I think it's flattering. Now, one of the main reasons I've never kept Slink jeans is because they are a little bit more expensive, but I really like these. So tell me what y'all think in the comment section. Do we like them enough to purchase them? Let's see how much they are because I haven't peeked at prices yet on any of this stuff. So these are called the Tasha Rip and Repair boyfriend jean. The color is, I just saw the price. They're $98. Okay, keep that in mind. Next top is this like paisley Ava James size 2X long sleeve, but the sleeves are like a sheer material, very like breathable, flowy top. It does have the little elastic cuff for around your wrist. I liked this on the app when I peeked, but I don't know if I absolutely need it. I love the colors. The shape of this shirt I would have loved 5 years ago. Like I owned so many shirts in this style, but now I don't know if it's me anymore. It's a beautiful pattern. I love the blue, like the little details on it are really pretty. I love the tassels. I always think to myself too, could I wear it for work? Like if I don't necessarily want to wear it in my free time, could I wear it to work? But I don't think that this would do well for work because of the pattern. So let me know what y'all think about this one. This is called the Sifton Bib Detail Blouse. It's $44. Okay, can we talk about this white shirt? I am in love with it. This is the brand August Mist. It's in a size 2X. It is beautiful. It's a pure white, like lace, like flowy sleeve. I'm obsessed with it. Yeah, it needs to be steamed. It's a little bit wrinkled. It also is a tad bit see-through, but I think if you wore like a nude colored bra, it's okay. The try-on portion, you couldn't really see through it, and I'm in front of super bright lights, so that tells me that it's okay. This, I think, is just so girly and so just, I don't know, like the detail on it is just beautiful. This would be something that I would keep. This reminds me of like Easter Sunday. Like you would wear this like tucked into a skirt or something with some nude heels. Would be so pretty. I just love this. Like the fit of it, the style, the color is just beautiful. This is called the Mareen Lace Detail Top in a size 2X, and it's $48. Now the final clothing item that I want to talk about is a kimono. I did peek on the app. I know I put a poll on Instagram and I had more people say peek and see what you're getting, but some people did say don't peek. Well, spoiler, I peeked. I could not. I was so excited for this kimono, this like orange color, but I think it's too small. It doesn't really close comfortably on me. It's Emory Park is the brand. It's in a size 2X. I don't know if I like it so much. I don't mind the sheer, but I don't know. Something about it is just throwing me off a little bit. Plus the fit, I think, is a little bit small. I know they're supposed to be oversized and it looks fine like on the arms and stuff, but it only, like if I were to pull it together, it would pull tight. So that's why I think that I could use a size bigger in this. I don't know. Am I making it up? Like, is it really that great and I can't, and I don't see it? Let me know. Because the pattern is pretty, but something about it is just kind of throwing me off a little bit. All right, so this is called the Caley Open Kimono in Burnt Orange. It's $34. And the very last thing are these Nippy Skin. It says the ultimate nipple cover with exclusive ultra thin Invisifeel matte silicone for the smoothest coverage possible. It says they're a size 1. I didn't get to choose a size, but when I look on the back, size 1 is an A through a C cup. And I got the medium skin tone. I didn't get to pick a size. I also didn't pick a skin tone. So it surprised me when these I can't get this off. When these showed up in a size and a color. I think the color is okay. The size I would need to go up. I'm a double D. But when you see these, I'll show you. It's like a magnetic type box. Open it up. You've got a little bit of instructions how you do this. And then here's what they actually look like. So it's just, you know what, as I'm looking at it, I probably could use the lighter color. It's just around, this is like something that holds the shape. So it's actually super flexible, and it appears that you would just put this over your nipple. So let's talk about these for a second. Y'all know I hate wearing strapless bras, so I thought these could be something really great because I don't really care to wear a strapless bra. Like if you're wearing spaghetti straps or a cute top that has like nice detail, you don't necessarily always want your bra to be seen. So I thought about these, and I think they'll be okay even though it's for a size A through C, because really they just cover your nipple. They don't actually cover your whole boob, but that's the idea, just a silicone so that you can't see anything through your top. These are $25. I'm going to keep them because I don't own anything like this. So the total for everything in my box is $258. So if you keep all 5 items with Stitch Fix, you get a 25% discount. That brings my total to $218.50. I want to keep that white top for sure, which was $48. $82 for the white top and the earrings. I love those jeans, but $98? That brings my total to $180. So $180 for jeans, a top, and a pair of earrings. I feel like I might as well just keep the other top and that kimono as well for just a little bit more. So let me know in the comment section down below your recommendations, what to keep, what not to keep. Also down there, I will leave a link to sign up for Stitch Fix if you are interested. I'll also go online and see if I can find these individual items in case you want to purchase just a top or a pair of jeans. If I can find them, I'll put them there. And that's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.